Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Kiosk India. The product in front of you today is an Android touchscreen kiosk with a 22-inch capacitive touchscreen and an Android 11 OS. This particular kiosk comes with an inbuilt camera, a thermal printer which is 80 mm which prints 3 inches and 2 inches thermal printer rolls, and a QR barcode scanner and a 1D 2D both barcode scanner. If I show you the build quality of this kiosk, this kiosk is made of mild steel and 1.6 mm rugged mild steel. It is not possible to dent this kiosk, and the texture is Siemens gray color, and the color can be customized to any particular RAL code or any particular powder coating shade. A lot of varieties are available, and you can see this design is quite slim. It is the slimmest thermal printer enabled kiosk in the market. The screen orientation is landscape for this. It can also be made vertical or portrait mode. If I show you the hardware features, this 22-inch capacitive touchscreen is inbuilt with a toughened glass. So even if you knock on the screen, even if somebody spits on the screen, the screen can be cleaned very easily because it has a toughened glass in front of the touchscreen. It is industrially rugged, so no issues with that. Now I'll show you the other features. This is the thermal printer in the kiosk. So it features a very easy to replace thermal roll design. So if you want to replace the thermal printer roll, you just open this kiosk, open this door, and it will reveal a thermal printer. And if you want to change the thermal printer roll, just put your finger like this and press a button here, and you can see the thermal printer roll here. And what you can do is you can just take out the paper like this, and you have replaced the roll now. Okay, and this features a magnet on both these sides, so it will auto lock here. And also this is a barcode scanner. We'll show its demo, and also the thermal printer roll demo. And this slits is for speaker, special speaker. It's a 4-watt speaker, and you can see its sound quality when I test it out. And on the back side, there's a maintenance door, and this maintenance door can be opened with a very special key. This special key right here, and once you open this, the back side is directly revealed, and there's a barcode scanner here. You can see barcode scanner, you can see a thermal printer, you can see PowerPoints, you can see the Android CPU. It is all elegantly located and wired. There's no loose wiring, so in transportation or if you take it around, there's no issue of wires tangling into each other. And if you want to lock this door, it's very simple. Just put in the key like this and turn it. So there are 2 locks here, and you can turn both of these locks. And this kiosk is very portable. It features heavy duty caster wheels like all our other kiosks, and these caster wheels come with brakes. So if you want to fix the kiosk in any particular location, you just apply the brakes, and once the brake is applied, the kiosk will be fixed. See, the brake is now applied, and you cannot move this kiosk now. And if you remove this brake, you can very easily, one person can move this kiosk because it's on heavy duty caster wheels. Okay, now moving on to the functionality of the kiosk. So this is an inbuilt camera in the kiosk. So I'll just open a camera app in the kiosk. So if we run this camera app, so you can see the camera rendering. You have to stand in front of the kiosk because the camera is fixed. You have to stand nearby the kiosk, and this camera can also be made tiltable, but then it needs to have an external attachment, and it also has a microphone inside this camera, and that can be used as well. So now moving on to the other features of the kiosk. So let us do a thermal printing of the kiosk. I'll open a queue management app which you normally use, and I'll print a test sample ticket, a queue management sample ticket. So I'll just do a test printer, and when I click on the test printer, as you can see, there is a test print. So the quality is very good, thermal printer quality, and quite fast. So this is regarding thermal printer, and this for information, this when after this ticket was printed, it was auto cut. So the thermal printer has an inbuilt auto cut function for auto cutting, and the printer which we provide comes with both USB connectivity as well as Bluetooth connectivity. So you can connect either via USB or via Bluetooth. So both these connectivities are present in the same printer. And now moving on to the barcode scanner. I have a sample QR code printed here with me, which is the name of our website, which is kioskindia.com. So what we'll do is we'll open a text field, say a Chrome browser, and we'll open a new tab. And see, this tab is now open and the cursor is pressed here. So now what we'll do is we'll just show this QR code scanner, this printed QR code. So it is already scanned, and you can see the entry is already there. So this is this QR code represents this URL, and you can see in any text input field in a browser or a text editor anywhere, once you just show it to the barcode scanner, it will immediately output that string or a website or image or whatever the QR code is representing. It will show here. So it is very fast, and see when nobody is in front of the QR code scanner, it will go dark like this, and if it detects something in front of it, it will immediately light up. See, it will light up and give a sound. So here you can see it's typed the QR code again. Okay. So that is it for the QR code scanner and the thermal printer. And you can use any app with the thermal printer. You can use USB mode or Bluetooth mode for printing, and camera, you can use any video conferencing or Google Duo or camera app, and it will show the camera device. And this is the Android board here, and the Wi-Fi sensor is on this surface, so it is exposed over here, and you'll get a good Wi-Fi signal. You have to keep the Wi-Fi router, say 5 to 10 meters close to this Android kiosk for best use. So that's it for today. And one more point. This Android board, you can install any applications on the Play Store. For example, I'm opening a Play Store here. So you can install any application and search any application on Google Play Store, just like how you do on your mobile phone. Say for example, you want to install Candy Crush, you can install a Candy Crush, any application really. You can install keyboards, you can install home screen, you can install Billbook, or you can even install APK files. You can install anything really which is able to install on your phone, and it comes with the latest Android 11 OS, and it has 4 GB RAM and 32 GB storage, so it is fast and has sufficient storage. It has also an inbuilt GPU, the Android board, and most of the work it does not lag in any running multiple applications at once. So it's a good performance, good stability. You can keep it on whole day, and you don't need a remote or anything to switch it off. If you want to switch off this kiosk, just power it down. Just switch off the power button from here or externally. So you can just switch off the power from here and it will switch off, and you can input there's no battery inside this kiosk, but you can, if you want to connect LAN cable for internet to this Android board, you can insert the LAN cable from here, and there's a LAN port directly on the board. You can connect it that way. So you can use dual band Wi-Fi or LAN for internet connectivity. So that's it for today. Okay, one more last point. We can check out the volume of the kiosk. We can check it out. We can check out a YouTube app. We'll run a YouTube app on this kiosk and check out the volume level. Say we open this YouTube app on this kiosk, and say we play a song. We'll check out the volume level. So let me increase the volume of the board and we can check it out again. So this is the volume of the kiosk. It is quite sufficient for regular usage, and if you want to use additional speaker, we also have a facility to install an additional speaker inside for really loud sounds, but for most of the practical purposes, for official use, this is quite sufficient. So thank you for watching this video, and do like and subscribe to our channel for more such products. Thank you.